This course is a series of videos discussing the different parts of speech. In this video, we will discuss another kind of noun, common nouns. Common nouns are names of a general class of persons, places, or things and begin with small letters. In other words, these do not refer to a specific person, place, or thing. Here are some examples of common nouns. In our examples, the word father does not refer to a specific father. It may refer to any father anywhere. This is the same with the words mother, boy, girl, nurse, and teacher. Here are some examples of common nouns. Given in these examples are names of places in general. The word town does not refer to any particular or specific town. This is the same with the words city, country, restaurant, hospital, and school. Here are some examples of common nouns. Given in these examples are names of things in general. The word table does not refer to any particular or specific table. This is the same with the words window, chair, cabinet, car, book, toy, and mirror.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel now. Want to help me create more free courses? How about buying me a cup of coffee on Ko-Fi to help me stay awake at midnight? Scan the QR code to visit my Ko-Fi page.